Hello everyone. Today please allow me to introduce the main operations for a seller on our sourcing platform. Before we start, please be noticed that sourcing platform is connected to SoldEazy. When you import a product from sourcing platform to SoldEazy, the system can list it to eBay automatically. So what are the main operations for a seller here? We have 4 main operations. Number 1, importing products and list them to eBay. Number 2, maintaining product info and optimizing description. Number 3, managing inventory. Number 4, processing orders. Next, I will further introduce how these functions work. Number 1, import products and list them to eBay. But how do you do this effectively? You can select the products you want from the sourcing platform. Click the Import button, then the system will upload the product info to SoldEazy and list them to eBay according to preset requirements automatically. Number 2, product maintenance and optimization. So how do you maintain the listed items and optimize them all together? When the products are listed to eBay, you can use SoldEazy's featured functions to optimize and manage them, like rearrange item description with listing template and edit listing contents in bulk. Number 3, inventory management. So what happens if the supplier changes their stock level? SoldEazy system will monitor sourcing platform suppliers' stock level with related eBay listing, and this monitoring happens in real time. When a supplier has got an out-of-stock product, the seller's listing will also go out of stock, so that you won't have overselling problems. Number 4, order and logistics. How do you handle orders and shipping in the sourcing platform? When a seller receives an order from eBay, he or she can go to sourcing platform and place an order to the supplier. Then the supplier will complete the shipping process and upload tracking number for the seller. Then the system will mark both sourcing platform order and eBay order as shipped for the seller. Then there will be no further steps for the seller. So far is the introduction for operations for a seller on sourcing platform. If you would like to know more, please contact our program contact person. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.